Hey everyone, James here from Tower Farms. Really excited. We're in the warehouse today where we've got another farm getting ready to ship. First thing I want to tell you is when your farm arrives, you could have as many from 2 to 30, 40, 50 pallets depending on the size of your farm. The first thing you want to do is look for pallet 1. Pallet 1 is going to have the most important piece of this information here. It's the packing list. Of course, we're going to email it to you ahead of time as well, but definitely look for this packing list. We're going to go over in detail as to why it's important in just a moment. When we pack our farms, we make use of every available space. So we will put small parts in any available space to cut down on the number of pallets, saving you shipping costs. So make sure when you get this packing list, you take the time to come through and identify each of the pallets and then look for boxes inside of each pallet. We'll label small parts and put them in small boxes inside of the pallets to save space and make it as efficient as possible for you. That's it for today from Tower Farms. This farm is getting ready to go out the door, so look for that packing list in pallet 1, and welcome to Tower Farms, everyone.